Welcome to Bob Pittman's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Bob Pittman of Atlantic Home Loans, a trusted mortgage provider for Greater Tampa Bay area home buyers. Now, here's your money tip.
If money's a bit tight right now, here are 6 tips for empowering yourself to create a breakthrough. Tip number 1, take responsibility for results. As Winston Churchill said, the price of greatness is responsibility. While external forces may have made things worse, face the fact that the solution is now in your hands. Tip number 2, you won't rebound until you hit bottom. Rather than constantly asking for financial help, realize that seeking band-aid solutions just delays the inevitable. Only when you hit bottom will you become motivated and resourceful enough to prevent it from happening again. Tip number 3, some risks are worth taking. As T.S. Eliot once said, only those who risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. Once you hit bottom, you don't have much to lose. That's a good time to take a calculated risk. Consider starting a small business in your spare time to generate additional income. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Tip number 4, have the discipline to work hard and make sacrifices. The late Jim Rohn rightly said, affirmation without discipline is the beginning of delusion. There's no instant answer or special secret. Most financially successful people worked long hours and took all the required steps. In short, they were willing to pay the price of success. Are you? Tip number 5, adjust your attitude. If you're not where you want to be financially, chances are you have beliefs about money and success that are holding you back. Remember, it's not what you are that holds you back. It's what you think you're not. Your attitude determines your altitude. If your thinking is different from people who are in a better financial situation, perhaps you might consider adopting their views. Tip number 6, seek out successful people. Take advice from people who are following their own advice. Find mentors who are already creating the kind of financial freedom you dream of. Success leaves clues. Model successful people and you'll become one of them. So there you have it. I've just given you 6 tips for turning crisis into opportunity. Now it's time to take action. For a free consultation on how to use your mortgage to accelerate your wealth, call us today.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of Bob Pittman's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Bob today at 813-867-4562.